Hello everybody and welcome to part 3 of making SpaceWar in Flash. Last time I showed you how I made sprites real quick in Carrara I should say. I always say that the wrong way, but still. So this time we are going to import the sprites into Flash and start out with some movie clips. It's pretty simple. First we will save our file. We'll do save as. And we'll make our document Flash 8, and it will be called SpaceWar. Yeah, simple enough. Now we do that first because now we just go file and save whenever we do changes, and it's easier to remember that. Get ahead of yourself too quick, and the next thing you know, you did something and computer crashes or whatever, and kind of screwed up. So what we do now is we insert a new symbol, and we want a movie clip, and we will call this, what is this, player 1's ship. So yeah, we'll call this player 1 ship. And we may want to do an action script. We'll do that. Just be on the safe side. We can change this other stuff later, but for now we'll just do this. So now we're inside a movie clip, and file, import, and import to stage. And we want where? Anyhow, where's the Flash? Player 1 sprite. There we go. And if for some reason none of your targets show up, it's because you need QuickTime of all things. Yeah, I know like some people don't like it, but you need QuickTime because the way Flash works is it uses QuickTime for all its libraries that aren't built into Flash. So when you get something and it's not working like your targets, you gotta install stupid QuickTime. But at least now they did it where you have an option to set things when you install QuickTime, so you can get QuickTime without iTunes, and then just as you're doing the last final step before finish, it lets you change your file associations. So if you have other programs you'd prefer, make sure to uncheck all those file associations so QuickTime doesn't take over everything. They're a lot better about it than it used to be, because now they give you the option to do that. Because in the past they'd just like take over everything and be like, darn it. But now Apple, I guess they kind of got smart on the bad press, changed that aspect. But here, targets are associated with QuickTime. So normally I don't work with them that often, but it doesn't matter because we're using it in Flash anyways. So as you can see, all these are your target file formats. So we are going to open the very first one, which is 000. And now we'll open that. And what's this do? The file appears to be part of a sequence of images. And do you want to import all the images in sequence? Yes, we do. This makes it a lot easier, a lot faster. You can just wait for it to do its thing. Yeah, it takes a little while. It's working. Haha. And now we can see we got our ship as a nice little image, and you can see the background is transparent. Remember when we rendered it, that background showed up black? Well, now you can see here, right in Flash, the pre-multiplied alpha, and alpha transparency turned on. That black background is gone, and we want it that way. So there will be no square around the ship when you're moving around your scene. We do want to do something about this registration point. Let's see if we can fix that. So it's the option here, edit multiple frames. We want to do that. And Just clicking. Yeah, we got all the multiple frames like so. Not sure if they're selected. I'll see if. I guess you just gotta use the onion skin for that. Yeah, edit multiple frames. And window. Toolbars. Let's try. Where is it? I know there's a tool to center thing somewhere around here. Library. Other panels. Space that. I bet I know what it is. It's probably transform. Align. There we go. Align is what we want. Click to stage. Make sure that's set on. Align. We click align horizontal center. Oh, come on. I thought it was on multiple frames. Yeah. There, now I got multiple frames. Align horizontal center. There we go. And align vertical center. Because that puts our registration point in the center, and that's what we want with these. So now when we go back to the scene, go to our library, we drag player 1 ship. See the registrations in the center. That's how we want it. Now I'm just going to delete that. There we go. When you get all these rotations and stuff in here, might be a good idea to make a folder. Let's see if I can do it this way. It doesn't want to do it that way, but I'll just drag them all in there. Make a folder to keep everything tidy because they do pile up. Drag that in the folder. There we go. See, that way it keeps your library a little bit more tight. Now we do a save. So now we got our first ship in here. And the same process for ship number 2. Symbol, MovieClip. Turn that on. Just to be safe. It's easier to do it now, I think. Okay. And the same process. File, import to stage. Now we do it for player 2 sprite. Same thing. Yes, we do. And hurry up and wait for it to work. There we go. Come on, buddy. Yeah, this is probably boring, isn't it? But at least you're seeing how it's done. It's real time. So, yeah, I could edit this out, but I'm not going. There we go. Oh, there's our ship. Everything's already selected in the onion scan. You know what that means? Go align center and align vertical, and it was already staged from last time, so it's a lot faster. Scene 1. And all these, the player 2 ship rotations. Make a new folder. And let's clean up the mess. Sorry for dropping the mic. I'm gonna try to clip it on something, it just like falls off anyways. Alright. Here we go. So now we got 2 ships. They're on a stage. Might set up stage and stuff. timeline. Let's see, what do I want to do here? We want keyframes. Do it like every 10 frames. This is for future stuff, but for now, let's set up this. And we'll do it on frame 10. There, one ship is over here. There, two ship goes over there. See, pretty simple. And I could probably set up my scene size. Let's make it 800 by 600. SpaceWar and Flash, yeah. Yeah, we'll just make some description stuff for now too. Here. That's pretty descriptive, isn't it? Alright. And zoom out. That's it. What is it? 600. So half of 600 is 800. And 600 minus 20 is 580. Oops. This one we'll put at that was 800. 800 minus 20. Just 70. I keep hitting the wrong key. There we go. Weird. Let's see. Let's do 760. Or just put it inside. Why did it just? I don't know what's going on. There. Yeah. That looks good enough. Gives us our starting positions in the scene. Could make our background color black. Let's go with the dark gray for now. Actually, we'll use some kind of like space scene or just make it plain black. You know, like outer space is dark, right? Yeah. Well, next time we will do something with our spaceships to make them respond the keyboard input. And we'll start doing some action scripts. So this is the basics for now. But you can see we got our two movie clips. They do have alpha transparency. And like they work like basic old video game sprites. And you get the 3D-ish effect from having them rendered in another software program. Alright. And you can play them. See they rotate. And the idea is that you can advance the movie clip to turn right. And then go backwards with the movie clip frames to turn left. Because they rotate a full 360, you just start looping the movie clip if you keep turning around. It's nothing too fancy. But yeah, that's the idea. So that's it for now, and we're done. Hope it wasn't too long or too boring. But next time we'll